Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your hardware and getting the right files. Enable virtualization in BIOS or UEFI, then pick a VM app that supports Mac OS. Once chosen, download an official Mac OS installer or create a recovery image. Do not skip checksum verification. Create a VM with at least 4 GB RAM, 2 CPU cores, and a 64 GB virtual disk. Pick UEFI/EFI firmware. Finally, attach the installer ISO to the VM so you can boot into the installer and begin. Now you build and run the VM to perform the install. Convert the Mac OS installer to an ISO if your hypervisor needs it, then attach the ISO to the VM's virtual DVD drive. Configure the VM's firmware to EFI, enable apps and necessary disk controllers such as SATA or Vertio for performance. Boot the VM into the installer, open Disk Utility, format the virtual disk as apps, then proceed to install Mac OS. While the installer runs, monitor logs. Installation may reboot multiple times. Once installation finishes, you complete setup and optimize the VM. Install guest additions or drivers to enable network, accelerated graphics, shared folders, and clipboard integration. Make a snapshot to preserve a clean baseline, then run Mac OS updates carefully. If you encounter boot failures or kernel panics, check EFI boot flags and SMBIOS/SMC settings, increase RAM or CPU allocation, and reset NVRAM. If networking or graphics are broken, reinstall the guest tools and confirm virtual device types.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.